And it's a first down. This is really well executed by the Patriots. They get linemen out, right guard Shaq Mason. He gets a man on the ground. Julian Edelman, he's blocking out in front. Falcons need somebody to step up and make a play. On first down.
Oh, pass interference! Pass interference! Pass interference!
Martellus Bennett tried on the underthrown ball for his
First and goal, baby!
Right in the spot where Bennett came down. Devondre
He didn't turn around.
Coverage. We'll see if it's against number 59. Now they're going to give Campbell for the pass interference, and I think it's the right call. The ball that was a little underthrown, but Campbell never is able to get turned around to make a play.
Pass interference. Defense.
It's going to set up first and goal from the 2. And LeGarrette Blount checks in. He rushed for a league-high 18 touchdowns during the regular season, has 19 when you include the postseason. A touchdown here.
53.
It's a Patriots win. They got the big fullback, James Devlin, leading the way. Play action.
Oh no!
Looking up, and Beasley got his left hand on it. Dangerous throw. And that's the play the Falcons have been waiting for. Almost got it. Beasley played it pretty well. He was in position, and he's knocking it down. But boy, when the ball went up, I'm like you, Joe. I thought that's a risky pass by Brady. And boy, Beasley had a chance to make the key takeaway that they're looking for down here. The great Tom Brady had completed 10 in a row. Now second and goal.
319.
Toss to White.
Woo! Woo! Yeah!
Brady has his 5th. What a comeback.
Bye-bye, Dirty Birds.
Another look to make sure. James White driving. They've already shot off the confetti. Fans are on the field. And it looks like a good touchdown. Yeah, it does to me too, Joe. When the knee goes down, where's the ball? I don't know what they'd do if they had to overturn this, but it looked to me like the ball was across. And what an effort by James White, who's had himself a heck of a ball game. There was contact by Ricardo Allen, and yet he's able to get across the goal line. What a game by the New England Patriots and Tom Brady. 30